Yeah. Baby, tour us. Huwag kang iyong ilong.
Okay, color is that way. Aquapolis is there. A few restaurants are over there, and there's the buffet. Okay, there's Michelin, the restaurant, and Tapcalo. And there's
That is
Energy and New
Lebanese
Korea.
restaurant.
Okay,
Doon kami pupunta sa Captain.
kaya dyan madaming tao.
Yun, Captain's Arm.
Dahil happy hour. Dahil dyan ay happy hour.
Mag-iinom kami doon.
Hello. How are you?
Yan o, magkakatabi.
Very cold now.
Ganda oh.
My niece came from the Philippines.
Hi!
New in Abu Dhabi. Only
Nice to meet you.
4 days. 4 days in Abu
4 days.
Dhabi.
Okay. So how you like Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, I like it very much.
There's a buffet siya.
Oh!
Gonna use some Groupon vouchers for your
You can use it.
buffet when because we're going to England, so she'll be left here.
Okay.
I told her to use the buffet, the vouchers with her friend.
Maybe
So you'll see
tomorrow.
her again.
I
Yeah,
will
tomorrow.
here now.
Friday.
I'm not here anymore.
Oh,
Oh.
you moved. Okay.
Yeah.
In Captain?
In Captain's,
Look,
yeah.
you can see on the shirt. Yeah, we're gonna it's happy hour, right?
Yes. Happy and just this week only.